Welcome back to Rare Oakleys. We got another unofficial unboxing for another athlete exclusive Tour de France pair of hand-painted radars. These are the red, white, and aqua fade. Rarely seen, but very cool. Before we check these out, make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, check out our other videos. I can't stress that enough because I'm going to tell you, I'm not kidding, most of our greatest videos are non-Oakley related. And I know most of you are here for the Oakley videos. I get that, but definitely check out our other videos. And definitely check out my book that I mentioned how awesome it is. If you haven't read this yet, what are you waiting for? It's motivational, it's educational, it's inspirational, it's packed with tips and tricks on how to save money, and it's a great and fun and entertaining read. I can show you guys how to get all kinds of free stuff, like Rakuten, for example. You guys need to check out Rakuten. I'm going to link my book in the description, but I'm also going to link Rakuten. And guess what? Right now, at the time that this video is being shot, if you use my link to sign up for Rakuten, which is 100% free to sign up, 100% free to use, you get $50 for free if you spend 50 bucks. So just go online, buy something for 50 bucks on a Rakuten website. 8 out of 10 websites are Rakuten partnered. Right? So you're going to get 50 bucks back. You're going to get your item for free. So check it out. Link is going to be below in the description. But let's check out these radars because I'm a big radar fan, and I know many of you guys are too, especially when you got the rare hand-painted, and these are done by Oakley, the rare Tour de France frames. Now, as a disclaimer, I had to special order these from a guy over in Europe, maybe 15, 16 years ago, somewhere in there at the time that this video is being shot, and he sent just the frames. So I had to not only supply the lenses, but all the unobtainium, the ear socks, and the nose pieces. Come on in. We got our reinforced nylon ballistic case. They don't make them like they used to, do they? This is not the Gen 2 Sport case, the garbage case, but this is the old school, the good case with the metal Oakley ellipse or icon here. Remember, when you open these cases, I always recommend grabbing near the base, right? Because if you grab here, this plastic over years and years gets brittle and it will crack. So grab it by the base to unzip this, all right? And again, these are pretty cool. Maybe I should pause for a thumbnail. Should I do that? Come on in, check these out. Now again, I chose the lens color for this, which you can see I chose positive red, which I think goes pretty good with this particular pair. It's a beautiful pair. And I do like the fade. No splatter on here, interestingly, but look what else they did. They swapped, they swapped the icons. You've got your aqua here, or your teal. I don't know. I guess you could call it either one, aqua or teal. But you got your red here on the left. The left ear stem is red. The right ear stem is aqua. But look, they swapped the icons, which I think is pretty cool. That's in good taste. They got the red icon here, the aqua icon here, and white in the center for the brow. And look at that. They got a nice fade here, all professionally done. Remember, these were actually hand-painted by Oakley. How many of these were actually produced? I don't know. Not many, a handful, only available to pro athletes. So I completed this because, again, I got just the frame in the mail from my contact in Europe. I put that positive red lens in there to kind of match the red ear stem. And the ear socks, I did white. And interestingly, you can't do a white nose piece because they come in black. They have other colors. I believe they have blue and red. Do they have red? I think they do. I know they have gray. Kind of would have been nice if they would have had a white nose piece. And maybe you could say, well, maybe the nose pieces would get dirty or dingy with time. Well, so will the ear socks, but they still made white ear socks, right? So why not a white nose piece? But they didn't do that. But anyway, the white ear socks, I think they look good because they match the brow. I think these are overall a pretty interesting pair. Uh-oh, what's this? Do we have damage to the lens? I hope the lenses aren't scratched or dinged here. These have never been worn. Wow, it looks like there's dings in the lenses. I can actually feel when I try to wipe that off. We'll try to deal with that later. But anyway, we'll give you guys a close-up here before ending the video. Oh, interesting. Look at this. I like this perspective better. You get red, white, and teal, or red, white, and aqua here from the inside, looking from the, as you're almost like you're wearing them. Somehow they look a little more interesting this way than they do from the outside, right? But I'll give you guys a close-up here real quick before we end the video. Let me grab this here. Yeah, we got a lot of hand-painted splatter radars, even though these don't technically have a splatter, but a lot of hand-painted radars from the Tour de France about 16 plus or minus years ago. Big fan of the radars here. What a cool pair. We got some really, really nice ones coming up too, some even better ones. Why does this camera keep shifting? iPhone garbage. I think we should buy a switch to, what's the other one? Android? Yeah, we should probably switch to Android next. All right, let us know what you guys think in the comments below. Now it's gonna smell like luxottica in here. As always, thank you for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. Do not forget to hit that bell icon, and we will see you next time on Rare Oakleys.